Hello everyone, so now I'd like to share with you, these are just a digital collection that I've been working with, and if you've seen this video, this one right here, this is a envelope flip book. It's a flip book envelope style, and I use this paper collection. It is called, I think it's called Valentine's or Romance, something like that. It's on Etsy, and I'll have a link in the description box so you can check it out. Anyways, and I'll also have a link to this video in case you haven't watched it. It is really cute, and I just love the way it came out. So there is a quick peek. And what I made is I altered a paintbrush, you guys. And this paintbrush, I altered it. I think it's from the 99-cent store. It's kind of like a light wood color, and it does have like a glossy finish. So I didn't do anything to the handle. I left it as is. I also didn't do anything to the bristles. Normally what you can do with this is you can paint it to make it look like, you know, it's a used paintbrush, but I left it as is. I thought it was so pretty. So on the top I just have some ribbon and then this kind of like a tencel type of thing, and I just tied it on the top. And then this bow is from Cottage Cuts. I really like this bow. It's so pretty. Also, before I forget, after I've shown you this project, I actually have like a really quick process on how I put this together. And I want to tell you that to adhere this chain right here, which is this chain that I have that I got from AliExpress, I used a combination of hot glue and E6000, and I did that because, you know, E6000 takes a while to set. So while E6000 was setting, I also used the hot glue, if that makes sense. So for example, I would put hot glue like on 3 of them, and then on the next 3 little rhinestones I would put E6000, and then I repeated that throughout the whole thing. So I started, and also this metal right here, it's gold, so I didn't mind at all that it was gold. I started off with this ribbon, and then I added, I think, this one behind. This is from Downtown LA. This is from AliExpress. This one as well is from AliExpress. And you can actually make flowers out of this one. And I wrapped it all around, so that's what it looks like. And then my lovely girl, yes, I do have a tutorial on how to make her if you're interested. And then this is another die. I just layered 2 different colors, as you can see right there. Just so I can look at it, so it can have more dimension. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I think I'm really impressed that it took me like maybe by the time I had already decided what laces I was going to use and trims, it maybe took me, I don't know, less than half an hour to put this together. No, even half an hour is too long. It took me almost nothing, and you will, of course, I'm going to speed up the process in the video so that you don't have to watch the whole thing, but because it might be too much time consuming. But I love the way it came out. I thought it looks so cute, you guys, and that is pretty much it. Originally I did start off with a brush that was it had the black handle from Dollar Tree. What I did was I painted it white, and it's plastic. This one is wood, I think. I think this is wood, but it has like that glossy finish. You can even see like a big glob on the top. Anyway, so the black one, I painted it white, and of course the paint pretty much came off with just a little scratch, and it came off. So I should have used gesso, but I don't know where my gesso is at. But so then I went with the white one, with this one, and I figured I'm not gonna do anything with it. I'm gonna leave it as is. And this is something that's been on my bucket list, and this is I've been wanting to try out things that are in my bucket list, things that I've never tried before. Here is my altered paintbrush using a Lovely Girl and just laces and trims that I've had in my stash, and it is time to use these up, you guys. They've been sitting there, and I'm like, I need to use them because I love them, and I'm always trying to hoard everything, and I shouldn't be doing that anymore. Anyway, so that is it for my video for today. Check out both videos so you can so you can just watch the videos if you haven't watched this one. Go ahead, and I'll leave that, like I said, in the description box, a link. And I think these girls are so cute, you guys. I absolutely love them. And so this one is my newest girl. I've had her for about a month, but I just got the chance to use her. And this is also a project for Diamond Eyes, this one right here. And I love it. Alright, so now I'm done, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you watch the process video. Alright, have a good day, everyone. Bye. So I kind of have an idea on how I plan to alter this paintbrush. I'm going to use my hot glue, and I already have some of these laces and trims that I plan on using. And this paintbrush, I think it's from the 99-cent store. You can also get something from Dollar Tree, but the one I've seen is black. And this is the the lovely girl I'm going to use. I think she's so cute, and I already have a tutorial on how to make her. I'll link that down below. And so I'm really not going to do nothing to the paintbrush. I really like the fact that this is gold. So I'm just going to start gluing everything. And I hope that the hot glue stays on here. This is some lace that what is it, trim? Is it lace or trim? It's so pretty, but look how pretty that is. And it's pretty wide. So, and also I cut this out twice with the darker pink and a lighter pink, as you can see, and I layered it on top. And that's going to go, I think, something like that. So I'm going to layer this on there, and then I'll probably layer this on top. So it'll look something like that.